Do I need speaker stands in my home studio? Whether you need speaker stands in your home studio depends on various factors, including your setup, the type of speakers you're using, and the characteristics of your room. Here are some considerations to help you decide. Optimal positioning. Speaker stands ensure speakers are at ear level for accurate sound reproduction and stereo imaging. Isolation. Stands or pads decouple speakers from surfaces, reducing vibrations and improving clarity. Room acoustics. Stands offer flexibility in positioning speakers to mitigate room issues, enhancing sound quality. Speaker stands can be a valuable addition to your home studio setup, providing benefits in terms of optimal speaker positioning, isolation, and room acoustics. However, whether you need them depends on your specific requirements and priorities.